Days after Chinese New Year in 2019, I was told to go to Nanga Talong. Arriving in Kuching, it was another 4.5 hours ride to Lubuk Antu, the nearest town. Thereafter, off-road trip and more off-road trips. Phew, after 2 hours of off-road trip, we are finally unloading. Well, not quite. After another half an hour, we were finally there. The villagers were tough. They carried the heavy equipments uphill. Next day, we get on with the work, but not before the good luck ritual. Works were carried out by the professionals, the trade persons, as well as the villagers, through the very Malaysian spirit of gotong royong. What were we building? Yes, the solar farm, as circled in red. Beside the solar farm is a patch of hill paddy field. At the bottom, a part of the longhouse by the side of a lazy meandering creek. Life in the longhouse is with the nature and by the nature. And finally, a token of appreciation from the village head, as well as a bit of self-promotion. Too often we are caught up with our daily rat races without patting ourselves for the work we have done. Have you patted yourself for the impact you brought to others today? Let's soak in on more tranquil beauty of the pristine Sarawak forest. Gently up the stream. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. Life's not all roses. Thank you for watching.